Spices! In this video, we are going to take the classic spinach dip and we are going to turn it into a baked pasta. This is easy to make. You throw everything in, cook it, and you have a wonderful meal for your family. So if you want to know how to make baked spinach pasta, let's go spice things up.
To your casserole dish, I'm adding 3 slices of bacon, 1 small chopped up onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic cloves, stir that around. Now I'm adding some salt and pepper, stir that up until it's translucent. Once it's translucent, you can go ahead and turn it off. And now we are adding a box of medium shell pasta. Now I'm adding 2 cups of spinach puree. You don't have to have it pureed, but I like it so it's not all stringy in my mouth. And now I'm adding about 6 ounces of cream cheese and a half a cup of sour cream. And now a half a cup of mayonnaise. Next is a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, and just add it right to your casserole dish as well. Next we are adding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese as well. Next I like to just push all the ingredients down to make sure it all fits, and we're going to put the lid on and we're going to cook it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to cut up a rotisserie chicken, so it's pre-cooked chicken. And after 20 minutes, you can go ahead and stir it. Add 1 cup of water, and next stir it as well. And then we are going to add our rotisserie chicken right back into the casserole dish. And of course, we want to stir it together. Put the lid back on and into the oven it goes at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we are going to take it out and then of course stir the noodles together. And we are going to top it with mozzarella cheese, just however much you want, and then back into the oven it goes. But we are going to turn it on broil so that the cheese can get golden brown. So just for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you can see that the cheese is golden brown on top and it is done. Go ahead and dig into it. Look at all that cheese. Look how good it looks. I like to serve mine with a side of salad and some French bread.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Or if there are any other baked pastas that you would like me to make, go ahead and comment below as well. Thank you guys so much. Bye. And see you in the next video.